Welcome back. This video today is going to look at double bar graphs. So let's get started. A double bar graph and a bar graph are very similar. The only difference is in a double bar graph, you are comparing two options. So as you can see here, that x-axis, y-axis, this is all the same title. This has a title, it has labels, it has a scale. But the new thing it has is called a legend. And here is where the difference will lie in the legend. The difference is very simple. You are comparing two options, or like for this example that I'm going to use, I'm comparing the results of two different classes. So when you compare the results of two different classes with the same options, you want to do a side-by-side comparison of what was chosen. So what we do in this case is we color code it. So I'm going to use these two colors, and this is the primary difference right here, is that you're going to see two different colors side by side. So let's go to the next slide and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So here is our data. We're going to use the same data as the previous video. So the title of this is going to be favorite sports. Since we're including two classes, we're going to put in grade 6. So there will be two classes that we're going to look at here. So that is one change. We have to change the title. Now the sport options are the same. I am going to write them at the bottom. The next thing I need to do is include a scale. Like the last video, the scale here is going to be the same. We're going to skip count by 2s. So there is my scale. Now it's time to put the labels. So at the bottom, we see sports are at the bottom. So sports is our label. And the label on the y-axis or the left side will be number of students. Before I put the information on the graph, because there are two classes, I need to include the legend. So the legend, I am just going to place the legend up over here near the top. So here is the legend. Because there are two classes, I have to color code the classes. So Mr. C's class will be this shade of purple, not exactly purple, but kind of. And Ms. Lindo's class will be orange for this example here. I will start graphing the hockey data from Mr. C's class and Ms. Lindo's class. So Mr. C has 6, so I need to use the same color for Mr. C. Make sure you're using it, and they need to go in the same order. Miss Lindo has 3, so 3 would be located right over here. Now I do recommend that you shade these in right away. So there you go. When you have it shaded in, now you're getting a better idea of what a double bar graph looks like. So let's finish off the rest of the categories. Everything is shaded in now. I did run out of space for football over here, so you'll see that I did not include football for either class. I miscalculated how many squares I have. That's on me, but I do not have a better example to use in the background. So as you can see, it's much easier to see when you have two classes or you're comparing two of the same things together. So you can see which class liked hockey more, which one liked basketball more, and which one likes soccer more. So this is what a double bar graph is. Next video, stay tuned. It's got another graph. See you then. Bye-bye.